How much money are you leaving on the table every tax season? If you're like most people, the answer might shock you. Every year, millions of dollars go unclaimed, simply because taxpayers don't know how to maximize their refunds. But not you. Not this year. Today, I'm going to walk you through powerful tax hacks that can put more money back into your pocket. These tips work no matter your situation, but here's the catch. You need to stay until the end, because the last hack is one that almost no one talks about, and it's the ultimate game changer. Let's dive in with our first hack, and this one might just change how you think about your paycheck. Adjust your W-4. Here's the deal. If you're getting a massive tax refund every year, it might feel great in the moment, but what you're actually doing is giving the government an interest-free loan. Instead, adjust your W-4 form with your employer to ensure your withholding matches your actual tax liability. This way, you're not overpaying during the year, and you'll see more money in your paycheck every month. But, and this is important, don't go too far and underpay, because then you'll owe money at tax time, and nobody wants that. Think of it as finding the Goldilocks zone. Not too much, not too little, just right. When's the last time you updated your W-4? If your answer is, what's a W-4? You've got some homework to do. Now, let's talk about something even more exciting, saving on taxes and preparing for the future at the same time. Tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, traditional IRAs, and HSAs are your best friends here. When you contribute to these accounts, you're not just saving for retirement or medical expenses, you're also lowering your taxable income. For example, if you make $50,000 a year and contribute $5,000 to a 401k, you'll only be taxed on $45,000. And HSAs? They're the holy grail. Tax-free contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. Seriously, why aren't we all doing this? Ever heard of a win-win-win situation? Well, this is it. Speaking of winning, let's talk about deductions. Deductions are like hidden gems in the tax code. You just have to know where to look. Student loan interest, job search expenses, even the cost of moving for a new job. These can all be deductible. And for my remote workers or self-employed friends, the home office deduction is a goldmine, but only if you qualify, so don't overreach. And don't forget about charitable donations. That pile of clothes you donated to Goodwill isn't just helping others, it's helping your refund too. Funny thought, every time you declutter your closet, you might actually be growing your bank account. Marie Kondo would be proud. But deductions are just the appetizer. The main course? Tax credits. Unlike deductions, which reduce your taxable income, credits reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. The Earned Income Tax Credit is a lifesaver for eligible taxpayers. And if you've been in school, the American Opportunity Tax Credit can save you up to $2,500 for tuition and fees. But here's the kicker. These credits aren't automatic. You have to know they exist and claim them. Let me ask you this. Are you scrolling through TikTok instead of checking your eligibility for tax credits? If so, it's time to reprioritize. Taxes can feel overwhelming, but here's a little secret. You don't have to go it alone. Tax professionals and software are like having a co-pilot for your financial journey. A good CPA or enrolled agent can help you uncover deductions and credits you might not know about. Think of it this way. Spending $200 on a tax pro who helps you get $1,000 more in your refund is a pretty solid return on investment. And for my DIY enthusiasts, software like TurboTax or H&R Block is your best friend. But don't just click through without understanding what you're entering. Pro tip, triple check your numbers before hitting submit. The last thing you want is to accidentally deduct expenses for a llama farm when you live in a one-bedroom apartment. That's an IRS red flag you really don't need. Here's a hack that's both simple and effective. File early. Filing your taxes as soon as you can has two major benefits. First, you'll get your refund faster. Second, it reduces the risk of identity theft, where someone files a fraudulent return in your name. Oh, and one more thing. File electronically. It's faster, more accurate, and gets you your refund quicker. Filing a paper return in 2024 is like sending a message in a bottle. It works, but why would you? Finally, let's talk about the future. One of the best ways to maximize your tax refund isn't about what you do in April, it's about what you do the other 11 months of the year. Keep track of deductible expenses, use apps to scan receipts, and set up a folder for all your tax documents. Planning ahead means you won't be scrambling when tax season rolls around. And here's a little teaser. In an upcoming video, I'll show you how to create a tax savings calendar that ensures you're always one step ahead. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And there you have it. 7 powerful hacks to maximize your tax refund this year. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and share this video with someone who could use a bigger refund. And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning of your journey to smarter finances. See you in the next video.